Hi.
Hi.
This is Melissa and Thomas. Welcome to level 4. We're going to do the first warm-up. And this level is all about inversions because we're going to work towards star. And now here's the first inversion. It's usually pretty easy for people. The base is going to go into like bridge pose. And then the flyer is going to put the shoulders just a little below the knees, not right on the knee. And they're going to do a shoulder stand on the knees. And the hand position is, for the flyer, you want to have your elbows in, your hands up like this, and the shins are here. So we're going to show you. I'm going to go up into like bridge pose. Melissa is going to place her hands on my shins. And give your hands. That's it.
Oh, okay.
She's gonna put her shoulders on, just below my knees.
Okay.
And I'm gonna squeeze a little bit, and she's gonna press up. Right. And here you can do leg range of motion. You can bring your feet up. Bring your feet up. Legs up. Right. And you can do front split. Right. And you can come back down. Very nice. And as a base, you kind of want to have your hands up. So sort of the flyer falls over, you can catch them by their butt.